Hey guys, I'm Ali. I'm a therapist. I'm from Pakistan. I'm working at a drug rehabilitation center here in Chiang Mai. I usually work with addicts. I myself am on this fitness regime. I've done a few courses related to fitness, exercise, and workouts. So I'm here for this 2 days course which I just finished. It was more of nutrition detox. So I had a bit of knowledge when I came in, but over here coming in, what really amused me that like there's so much more in nutrition and so much minor details that we have to be so mindful of that what we're buying and what we're eating and what we're putting inside. As they say, we are what we eat. So it's very important to see what we're eating. So this course, Luke and Susana, they were awesome. These guys, they gave me a very wide knowledge of what basically nutrition really means. What nutrition is just not about protein, carbs, and fats. It's very much more to that. Detailed, and I love the solutions. The way they give us solutions also, which are very achievable. It's not something like super science behind it. It's something which really amused me was the solutions were very easy, and I can now practice it on my own self-fitness regime also. And I can add this as a tool to my own counseling and therapy skills so I can help people who are struggling with fitness. So yeah, I love you guys. I love the place. This is amazing. I love the coffee over here. And yeah, the lunch was amazing. Thank you so much, guys.